In this video, I'm going to show you 4 ways to make money online. And this is for the busy people, or people who are introverted like I am, or moms who want to bring in a full-time income from home. And this is part 1 of a 4 video series that I'm doing to bring in at least $3,000 a month. Now, I know that that's not a lot of money in comparison to what you might have seen in other videos, but honestly, this is like realistic. And I know because I have actually done this. So if you want to learn more ways to make money from home, make sure to subscribe to stay in the know. Alright, so my first idea to make money online is being a virtual assistant. So what this is basically assisting someone online. Now that someone can be a company, a business, a contractor, really anybody who needs help that they don't want to do themselves. And I've landed a lot of virtual assistant roles just from quick meet and greets, and I've earned a lot of money being a virtual assistant. And I still am a virtual assistant outside of my part-time job, which is executive assistant. And what this is basically just whatever they need help with doing. So in my experience, all of my virtual assistant tasks are online, like every single one outside of my part-time job. Anything virtual is virtual. So you don't have to worry about physically going anywhere because this is all remote. One of the main reasons why I love being a virtual assistant is because I can do it on my own time. They give me a deadline, and as long as I do whatever the task was by the deadline, and I try to make sure that I overachieve. I found that this is a great way to make sure that I am on a steady payroll, is to make sure I overachieve, and if they like me enough, maybe they can refer me out to somebody else, and that's another good way to raise my prices. Now, if you want to be a virtual assistant, there are free ways that you can learn more about how to be a virtual assistant. Number 1, you got to make sure that you want to help people. If you want to learn more skills, you can actually go onto LinkedIn, get the free trial, do some virtual assistant tasks to see what they have available so you can get educated in that really quickly. Now, virtual assistants can make anywhere from $20 to $50 an hour depending on your expertise. I did another video where I talk a little bit more about that here, so check that out if you get a chance. Alright, so my next way to make money online is freelancing. This is where you're a content creator, but not in a sense of what it might mean. This is where you're 100% behind the scenes. You don't need to show your face. You don't need to post on social media. You are basically a food photographer for bloggers. And you can make anywhere from $1,500 to $4,500 a month just taking food photos for bloggers. So just to give you an example of what this might look like is you basically are working with bloggers to create food photo packages for their blogs because these bloggers are way too busy to take photos of food themselves. They create these recipes because their blogs are dedicated to providing recipe content for their audience, but they don't have time to actually take the photos and make it look really pretty and presentable to make people keep wanting to go to their websites in the first place. So they hire out freelance content creators to actually give them the food photo packages. So there is a video that I did right here that explains a little bit more in depth about what this is, how this works, and how much you can make. And I thought that this was a really good opportunity for moms in particular because as a busy mom, I don't want to have to worry about clocking in every day. And that's why she started this program. She wanted something to do raising her 2 kids, and she actually ended up retiring her husband because she was able to make so much money from doing this and then teaching other people how to do it. My next way to make money online is reselling products online. So I did this with Amazon and eBay and Mercari and Poshmark and all those others. But my best money-making one was reselling products on Amazon. And what I'd do, I would go to places like CVS. I would go to the clearance rack. I would use my extra care bucks, if y'all know what I mean with CVS members. I would drive to Canada because it's not too far. I would buy products over there and resell products with a $50 profit margin, just because there are some expats over in the United States that are looking for something like one piece of home. And if I can provide them with a candy bar, a nostalgic candy bar for $50, then they're willing to buy. So I made $40,000 part-time in less than a year doing this. It was one of my best side hustles I've ever done, and I was putting in a little under 20 hours a week. So what you need to do if you want to do this to get started, just go to Amazon. You just sign up and you can start selling right away. Now, I will warn you that you probably will be gated. And what that means is you'll be restricted in reselling. So if you are interested in doing that, then let me know in the comment section below and I'll make sure to give you everything I know. I'm happy to help in any way I can to help you have success reselling products on Amazon. All right, so my next way to make money online is remote jobs. And I think a lot of people are sleeping on remote jobs because I interviewed this girl, and you can see the full video here. And she makes 6 figures being a customer service representative online. She's a stay-at-home mom of 2 kids. Yes, baby? Well, are you stuck? You okay? So this girl makes 6 figures basically being a customer service rep online. You get unlimited PTO, there's a 401k, there's benefits. This job honestly sounds like a dream job. Of these 4 ways to make money from home, let me know which one you might be interested in the most. Alright, so if you like this video, then you're gonna love this video because these are side hustles you don't want to miss. Until next time, peace.